Hi there guys, welcome to the factory tour of Motorhorse India, where you'll find VLF state-of-the-art scooters and kick-ass motorcycles from Brixton being assembled. Let's get going and let's see what kind of quality they are bringing to us. So here we are at the heart of the matter where the engine assembly happens for the Mobster. This is the crankcase along with the connecting rod and the final drive, and here you have the crankshaft assembly, and here you have the pistons being aligned properly, and it's a step-by-step meticulous process where quality is no compromise nature of this thing. When you look at the scooter, you know, and here you have the timing chain and the rest of the components being assembled, and here you have the 4-valve system, 2 inlet valves, 2 outlet valves, allowing the combustion chamber to be fully optimized. And then you have the coolant radiator to keep the engine temperature check and keep the engine cool. And then you have the final covers and the clutch assembly happening here. And the rest of the covers go, and then leak test happens here, and then the final actual firing and the endurance test happens in that particular chamber. So guys, we are here at the point where the engine is being tested, just as I showed you in the previous frame. The engine is fired here and checked for any kind of leaks, be it coolant leak or oil leak or anything, and even the RPM check is done, idling RPM and everything, and they are checking for any kind of abnormal issue that might mount up here, such that the quality can be double checked here and can be rectified here itself. And you can see state-of-the-art facility and top-notch build quality goes into our beloved VLF scooters. So guys, you can see that we have moved into the main assembly line now. The engine is mounted onto the swing arm. In fact, the wheel is mounted onto the swing arm and the engine is incorporated here. And the entire assembly here moves on to the main assembly line where the chassis is fitted. So this is the main area where the chassis is incorporated, and you have the front suspension system, telescopic forks and all. And here the starter relay and other wiring are incorporated and fitted. The entire assembly line walkthrough is happening right now. Can you believe it or not? And here you have the ignition system and all included here in this particular step. And here the panels are fitted. Even the handlebar is fitted here. And then you can see the panels, the battery, the front windshield, everything is fitted. The entire assembly finishes here with the integrated footrest and all, and moves forward for quality check. Oh, this is my favorite neon color. Looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? Okay, so guys, now the finished product is here. It is on the dyno testing stage, where they are testing first for ABS, then the acceleration, and then the rear brake. So first they'll be checking the ABS, the front brake. So let's see how it goes. So guys, you can see that this is the India's first 125cc scooter with dual channel ABS. So the front ABS is being tested. Then you'll oh boy, pinpoint precision right over there. Hope you got that right on camera, and hope you guys witnessed that. Superb handling and superb stability. So now we're going to test for acceleration and then the rear brake, because it is dual channel ABS. ABS works on the front as well as the rear wheel. Next, you can see the ABS, front wheel ABS testing is done, and the scooter will be locked in for acceleration test now. So let's see how it accelerates. Looks really fast, and I'm pretty damn sure it goes just as smooth. A state-of-the-art facility for a state-of-the-art machine. Full throttle now. You can check the analytics being displayed right over there. RPM speed and kilometers per hour speed. So guys, now he is actually achieving top speed on the dyno. Let's see how it goes. 93, 97, 100. 105, 108, 15, 118, 120. 125 cc, 125 cc scooter clocking 125 on the speedo. Insane performance. Can't wait to ride this in real world conditions. And in this neon color, boy oh boy, it looks absolutely stunning. And now that the top speed test has been done, now he is going to test the rear ABS as well. So let's see how that goes. It's clocking 60 kilometers per hour almost. Oh boy, that was fast. That was fast. And the wheel lock has been avoided. That's insane. Crazy tech and one amazing scooter. So now that the comprehensive test is completed of ABS acceleration, ABS front and rear, now it is coming for final quality check. So it rolls down and goes for one final quality check where the panels are tested for any kind of scratches or any kind of issue that might crop up in the final quality or final level of quality check. You can see what a handsome looking scooter, man. It's like a scooter from the future. Wow, the meticulously crafted panels. The tail lamp lights up so beautifully like that of a sports car. Oh, and this neon color is captivating my senses. It's almost irresistible. Maybe I'll end up getting one for myself. It's so damn attractive. And the kind of quality that has gone into making the scooter, I stand convinced that you're getting nothing but the best.